Welcome to your math channel. Here, you learn math by solving exercises in a practical and straightforward way. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on what you want to see in the next videos. The train trip from Boston to New York takes 2 hours and 54 minutes. One day, the train left Boston exactly on schedule, but arrived in New York 4 minutes late at 5:31 p.m. What time did the train leave Boston? Which of the options is correct? But first, I need your feedback by subscribing to the channel. So let's get to the question. The train arrived at 5:31 p.m. It arrived 4 minutes late. So it would be, let's first calculate here, 31 minus 4. So it should have arrived at 17 hours. 31 minus 4 is 27. 17 hours and 27 minutes. It takes 2 hours and 54 minutes. Let's first work out the minutes here. Is it possible to subtract? Let me write down 2 hours and 54 minutes here. Is it possible to subtract 27 minus 54? No. What do we do in this situation? We borrow, let's say, 1 hour from the 17 and give it to the minutes. So here you subtract 1 hour, making it 16, and here you add 60 minutes. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So 27 plus 60 is 87. Now yes, let's do the subtraction. 87 minutes minus 54. 7 minus 4 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 33. So now we have 16 hours and 33 minutes. We've already worked out the minutes. But the train takes 2 hours. So let's subtract 2 here. It will be 14 hours and 33 minutes. The correct answer is letter D, 14 hours and 33 minutes. A practical and straightforward way, showing here how to calculate hours and minutes, okay? Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and see you in the next video.